Alright, first thing you gotta do is play this mouse sensitivity minigame. Who would use this? Oh, I guess it's for physically handicapped people who wants a realistic feeling to the game. Grab a shovel, Cripply. Uncle Sam needs his oil, and he left it in your country. Sorry about that. America! I'm not even touching it. Alright, you move around using WASD. It's easy to remember. Just picture a wasp with a real large... Like all shooters, you can switch between your weapons by using Q. I guess in this game your only other weapon is a fully automatic hand grenade. Fuck it. Alright, you use the dot in the middle to shoot your victims. When it's red, it means it's your enemy. When it's green, it means it's your friend. It's never green. Because the developers knew that their target audience rarely has any friends. So they didn't want to alienate them with the abstract concept of unloneliness. Everything's red. The whole world is your enemy. Life lesson. Sorry to bring you the news. Yep. Damn it. Fuck. Fuck. Switch weapons. I got this. Melee. Ow. I melee myself. God damn it. Ow. Ah, come on! Alright, I got this now. No, go! So, they made the game unbeatable to demonstrate that there are no winners in war. Only losers. So many losers.